you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Cherokee Latitude in granite crystal metallic. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, bright side roof rails, rear window wiper and washer, power 8-way driver's seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 26,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5803.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.